Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time you've come across this channel, please kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you always coming back to watch my videos. Thanks so much. So I'm here today with an amazing video, how I use papaya leaves to boost egg production and cure diseases on my poultry farm. So as you all know, papaya leaves contains vitamin E, vitamin A and vitamin C, which is all good to our chicken, both broiler or layer chicken. Now, let's look at some benefits of papaya leaves to our chicken. Papaya leaves helps in boosting the immunity of birds. If you continue giving your birds papaya leaves as required, your birds will not fall sick, and when your birds are healthy, good profit is guaranteed. When your birds are healthy, good profit is guaranteed. You will not be spending money on treating them. It improves egg production and egg quality in your layer chicken. So the more you give your birds papaya leaves, the more egg quality you will get, and the more production will improve, because it will improve your egg production. The eggs will be wow, so yummy. It improves the growth of our chicken, especially broilers. So if you are into broiler farming, please try giving them papaya leaves. Use papaya leaves as growth booster. It will help them grow quickly and fast. It will help your broiler chicken to grow quickly and fast. At least they will attain that required weight within 6 weeks, which is stable size, and off you go to the market. Another benefit of papaya leaves to our chicken, it improves the appetite of our chicken. The more you give papaya leaves to your birds, the more their appetite increases. Papaya leaves serves as multivitamins in our birds. So if your birds are not even, if your birds they are not eating well, they are not drinking water well, all what you need to do is to do what? All what you need to do is to start giving them papaya leaves. Start giving them papaya leaves. If birds' immunity is high, they will eat well and also drink a lot of water. They will lay very well, and also they will lay big eggs. They will lay big eggs. This will surely make your business flourish. When your birds are eating well and they are laying well, your broilers are growing well with the required amount, the required weight. With the required weight, I can assure you, when you try papaya leaves, you will get the required weight. It also protects your birds from getting coccidiosis. It also protects your birds from getting coccidiosis. Once coccidiosis affects your farm will not perform well, especially in layers. You will notice drop in production, and the eggshell will be soft, and then you will be recording damages. You'll be recording damages. Why are you recording damages? Is because the eggshells are not strong. So please give papaya leaves to your birds and prevent them from getting coccidiosis. I give papaya leaves as juice to my birds 3 times in a week. 3 times in a week. I give first thing in the morning and continue with fresh water just 3 times in a week. First of all, you need to get your papaya leaves. You wash them. If you can wash them, you can blend and you can pound. So I prefer this method of washing. If this will be too stressful for you, you can blend if you have electricity. And then if you don't have electricity to use your blender, you can wash or you can pound, and then you sieve the water, sieve the papaya juice, and then you serve to your chicken just the way I'm doing right now. I'm going to serve them in the morning, at least before 12. Morning before 12, then I will change to fresh water. And I used to do this 3 times in a week. And I can assure you that you will see changes in your egg production. You will see changes in your broilers growth. You will see changes in your farm. I can assure you that you will do bye bye to coccidiosis. Coccidiosis will not be found in your farm if at all you have tried this method, or you are going to try this method. Just 3 times in a week. You are going to give morning just in the morning. Afternoon should be fresh water. Continue with fresh water until another day you start again. You can see